CBs. What's up, guys? Do you have an old push mower like this and the throttle cable broke on you? The throttle cable is that long cable that attaches to this lever and goes all the way down and connects to here. And without it, you can't start your mower. Or can you? Here's a quick fix that'll get you mowing again. This is not a long-term solution, just something to get you back cutting grass if you have to finish the job. And all you need is a zip tie. So this spring-loaded lever right here is what moves when you pull the handle back on the top of the mower to get the mower started. So essentially all I did was feed the zip tie through this hole right here and then through the notch right there. And then you just want to squeeze it together, tighten the zip tie down, and then give it a yank. Now, unfortunately, that's the only way to shut it off is to cut the zip tie. But again, if you got to get something done quick, or if you don't mind putting a zip tie on every time you got to mow, no need to spend $10 on a throttle cable. Thank you for watching. CBs.